I'm the man and everybody out there knows that
What's up, YouTube? This is Jake. I'm representing How to BMX 16, the BMX How To channel. This is my bike. I would have some footage, but kind of winter and fucked up weather, fucked over riding. So this is my bike. Stock peg, I think it's a snafu peg, but it's been holding out okay. Stock front rim, it's a sun rim Rhino Light, 3/8 hub. Snafu dirt box tire, 20 times 2.125. It's a nice tire, it's 100 psi. Hasn't failed me yet. Snafu bars, which I have my snafu grips, and I would have the bar end, but got fucked up. It's a mirraco stem, but I'm not sure what it actually is, but yeah, there's my top cap. Mirraco Black Pearl version 2, 2009, 20.5 inch top tube. It's a full chromoly frame, it's a really nice frame. Snafu seat post and seat clamp with my snafu seat, and I got profile cranks with my snafu sprocket, 36 tooth sprocket. Really nice cranks, they've been holding out really good. Wargo pedals are really crappy, I need new ones. And then I got the snafu peg in the back as well, and the prized possession of my bike, my Alex triple wall rim, Alex Super E Light, and snafu tire. Street tread is it's still really good, but it's getting old, it's wearing out a little bit. And so that's basically my bike. Oh, the rim has a nerve hub, really nice hub. I think that it's sealed on one side. I'm not sure about the other though. But yeah, so that's my bike, and yeah.